Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we have a pretty exciting unboxing video. Alright guys, so this has to be honestly my best sneakers app W. I'm going to throw the image up right here on the screen so you guys can see. I definitely did get these things from Sneakers. Yeah, honestly, my biggest sneakers app W of all time. Especially on a draw. Those 10-minute draws. I usually have no luck on the draws. I'm better like with the first come, first serve. Or most of the time, like the shock drops, I'm pretty good at that. As long as I get in like at a good time. But the draws, man, I've never been able to get this lucky on a draw before. And you can tell this is a pretty big one right here. So, yeah, I was able to hit on the Kobe 4 Protros, the Mambacita Gigi. Yeah, this is kind of like a touchy one, right? Because it's they don't make very many Kobes anymore. They usually do about like 1 to 2 per year. They did the ones from last year, the Mambacitas. I'll throw an image up right here. And obviously, you know, since the tragic passing of Kobe and Gigi, Kobes are super limited. And not only are they super limited, also the resale value on them just skyrocket, and they honestly go crazy. So if you did miss out on these things, it's going to be a lot harder to get. I think the resale right now is sitting at that like 500, like 550 price point. They did drop since they initially came out. They were sitting at like that 700. So definitely did drop. However, you know, that 500, 550 is still kind of steep on a pair of shoes to, you know, pull that trigger. But, you know, man, I mean, what a legend, right? So let's just go over the box. I'm just going to treat this as like a sneaker unboxing and review, right? So I'm not going to get into the weeds about anything about Kobe's legacy and all that type of stuff, right? I'm not that channel. Just strictly about the shoes right here. Not trying to give opinions and whatnot, right? So let's just go over these shoes. So it's going to come in this white box, and you can kind of see this reptile snake skin type of print all over the front of that box as well. It's got that nice texture going on, as well as in gold. It's like a gold foil-ish Mambacita with the number 2 and the wings. Now, the size tag is going to read Kobe 4 Protro, white, and black, size 12, and it's a size 13.5 in women's. So let us get right into these things, right? So we're going to open it up. Once you open it up, you are greeted with the Kobe logo, as well as that Mambacita and the 2, obviously Gigi's number, with the wings and the angel logo right here. And you also are going to get this really nice gold foil paper as well. And then open it up into the paper, you're going to get the shoes right there. So taking out the shoes, guys, right? So this is actually a really nice shoe. It's honestly my first Kobe that I was ever able to actually obtain, especially right now, right? So Kobes are, like I said, super limited, and they go for crazy resale value ever since the tragic passing of Kobe, right? Because kind of similar, unfortunately, to like the Off-Whites, right? So like they hit a super peak in resale value after Virgil Abloh had passed away. Similar thing happened when Kobe passed away, right? It's a sad thing, right? Like, of course, now, you know, Kobe's are going to be a lot more limited and so on and so forth. So the resale is going to be super crazy. And it's kind of sad, right? Like, I understand both ways, right? Like, if somebody's going to get a shoe and it's going for crazy resale, you can't ever be mad at somebody who you don't know their situation. You know what I mean? If they need the money and whatnot, and they go ahead and resell this thing, you know, I mean, you buy the shoe for $180 if you can sell it for $500. I mean, you know, can you really knock anybody for it? Yeah, is it morally kind of wrong considering the circumstances? Absolutely. But, you know, you can't ever really knock anybody, you know, trying to make money, you know, especially in this day and age, right? It's freaking hard, man. The economy's not doing so well. So that all aside, let's get just strictly into the actual shoe. I'm trying not to bring, you know, personal beliefs or anything like that into the channel. It's just going to be strictly a shoe channel, right? So if you want that political nonsense, you know, go. You know what I mean? So let's just get right into the shoe. All right. So we got the Kobe 4 right here. It's going to be a majority in all white upper leather. as well as the black swoosh right here, which is actually embroidered. It's a really nice embroidering right here for the black swoosh. And you can see the leather quality, especially over on the toe box, is actually a pretty nice soft leather. It's actually a really nice leather right here on the toe cap. You can see by just pressing it down. The upper is more of like a stiff leather. I don't even know. This might actually be like a synthetic leather towards the upper. Let me give you a nice shot right here. It's not like a true grain leather, kind of like the front of the toe. It's just, it's almost like a synthetic leather up at the top. Going to the heel counter, right? So you're going to get this heel plate right here. It's like a translucent. You're also going to get that number 2 in gold for Gigi's number, as well as this like plaid print in black and white right here on the back. And then you're also going to get Gigi embroidered right in the back as well. I really like how the back of this heel looks. It's also a really nice nod to Gigi and her number. And then going to the tongue, you're also going to get this mesh tongue. First off, this shoe is super, super lightweight, right? So a great basketball shoe. So you're going to get that mesh white tongue. Going to the top, you're going to get that like synthetic leather, as well as the gold Kobe logo right at the top right here. And then you're also going to get some extra set of laces. So it's going to become pre-laced in the black laces right there. And then you're also going to get a pair of white laces with black tips. And you're also going to get a pair of black laces with that white speckling all throughout. Honestly, if I were to relace these shoes, I'm probably going to go with the black and the white speckling right there. I think that would be honestly a pretty cool touch. And then also inside of the insole, it's going to be kind of hard to take out. Yeah, these things are actually like glued in here. I think these things are glued in here. So I'm actually not going to take out that, but I'm going to show you the best I can. So it's going to have a heart, and it's going to say Mambacita with the 2 and the wings logo in there. And then you're also going to get that plaid print over in the insole right there. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. And then as we go to the outsole, you're going to get this just a blacked out outsole with that carbon fiber shank plate and a red Nike swoosh. Right there. So like I said, guys, this is going to be more of just an overview, quick review. One other thing to note is that the sock line is actually like a premium type of feel, to be honest. I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up from the camera. Just kind of the angle here. It's a really nice, soft, like satiny feel sock liner. And other than that, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for this review today. I just wanted to, put this one out here. It's a really nice classic Kobe. And also, it's a really nice tribute sneaker, right? So every year, it seems like going forward, they're probably going to have a Mambacita or Gigi sneaker releasing. Like I said, last year, they had the black with the white. This is almost like the alternative to that, the white and the black. And like I said, guys, just a really tragic, sad situation, especially, when you're talking about big money, right? So just keep that in mind. And hopefully, if you guys actually went for these things over on the sneakers app, you were able to cop. I mean, there were not many pairs at all. I think around 40,000 pairs in total across all sizes dropped over on the sneakers app. So they were very, very limited. And like I said, incredible I was actually able to hit, because my actual sneakers account hits for nothing. Especially lately, like I can hit bricks, I can hit these shoes that they drop a ton of pairs for. I didn't even hit the Spider-Mans when they shock dropped, and apparently that was like 240,000 pairs or something like crazy like that. So, I was very, very blessed to be able to cop this pair of sneakers. Let me know what you guys think about these things down in the comment section below. If you are new around here, make sure you guys are smashing that like button and also hitting that subscribe button as well. Turn on them post notifications so you don't miss another one of my videos. And I do just want to give this brief moment to thank you guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate us surpassing that 600 subscriber point. This honestly really means a lot to me, guys. It really does. My goal for the end of the year is to hit 1,000, and we are crushing it at the moment. You guys are absolutely killing it. I do post a lot of shorts over on the channel, so make sure you guys are checking out my shorts. Leave your comments, thumbs up the video, do all that good stuff, please, because we are cruising, man, and I'm really hoping we can hit 1,000 within the next 2 months. That's my goal. So keep on hitting that subscribe, keep on commenting. I love to respond to you guys down in the comments. And other than that, guys, like I said, my name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan. You know the drill. We're out. Peace.